Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this chapter we will show you two very useful commands that you can utilize for when you want to split a shape into equal length segments. These two commands are divide and measure. They are similar but work in different ways for different situations. Let's see what that means. Here we have a line with a measurement of 20 units. Let's say we want to divide this line in 5 equal length segments, and we don't care about the length of these segments. To do this, let's activate the divide command by typing div in the model view or command line. We now have to select the object, which is the line, and press enter. Next, we must input the number of segments we want, so 5, and press enter. As we can see, 4 points have appeared on the line, denoting the division points. It's important to notice that the line has not been exploded or turned into different lines. The points will only let us picture the division. If we use dim linear to measure the segments, we can see that each segment is 4 units in length, which makes sense as 4 by 5 is 20, the total length of our line. If for any reason, the way LusoCAD is displaying points is too small or difficult to see for your purposes, you can change the shape of points in the Utilities ribbon. Let's now direct our attention to the other line, with the same size. Imagine now that we want to divide this line, but the amount of segments is not what we think is important. Rather, we want to make sure each segment has a specific length. For these cases, the measure command is optimal. To activate the command, we type measure in the model view or command line. We select the object and press enter. Now we select the length of segment. Let's input 4. We now see the result, with 5 points starting from the left side that tell us where each segment starts and ends. As we can see, these were two ways to accomplish the same result. A 20-unit long line divided by 5 segments, each one with a length of 4 units.